Hello, my name is Billy Hall, and this is my MLB expansion proposal project. The city I've chose is Nashville, Tennessee, and what I'm going to talk about in this proposal is the population, the competition, the business climate, the TV and digital rights, and facilities and transportation. Now, I have visited Nashville multiple times, and I believe Nashville is a great city to host an MLB team. So the population of Nashville. Nashville's population is around 692,587. With including the surrounding areas of Nashville, you hit 1,933,860. Your median household income is 70,262. Number of households you have is 733,787. And compared to your lowest market in MLB is Oakland in California, with a population of 440,981. Nashville is growing very rapidly. Nashville is the 10th fastest growing metro in the United States, and the cost of living has gone down 5.1%, with a net population growth over 5 years is 5.56%. So competition. So competition looks like you have the Nashville Predators, NHL team, the Tennessee Titans NFL team, Vanderbilt, Division I NCAA, and the Nashville Sounds, the minor league team for the Milwaukee Brewers. So the Nashville Predators their fan base really took off, and they honestly have some of the best fans in hockey. Always selling out, always loud, always crazy, always supporting. The Titans have a great fan base. Vanderbilt baseball especially has a really good fan base. And Nashville Sounds, from what I've seen, has a pretty decent fan base as well. So basically what this means to me is, yes, it's competition, but at the same time, with your closest MLB teams being from Nashville, being the Reds and the Braves, both being 4.5 hours away, knowing you have loyal, diehard fans in Nashville, people who love to come out, support, watch games, have a good time, and enjoy the experience, I believe this makes Nashville an even better place for an MLB team, just because the closest one is 4 hours away from Nashville. So your business climate in Nashville, Tennessee, your Fortune 500, 1,000 companies. You have 10 Fortune 1,000 companies. A couple include HCA Healthcare, Community Health Systems. Then you have 6 Fortune 500 companies. You have HCA Holdings Incorporated, and then you have Dollar General. And along with that, Nashville's Fortune 500 companies brought in more than $100 billion in revenue in 2016, which is unreal. No, that's an unreal number, $100 billion. So obviously you have a good marketplace here that's growing rapidly each year. So your TV and digital rights. So Nashville ranks 29th in DMA rankings. For Nashville, I hope in baseball team you get ESPN, MLB Network, Fox Sports, and TBS. Would be really big if you could get, your digital rights and your TV rights with those people. So you also have 1,102,340 homes in 2021 in Nashville. So, just some examples of like your other professional teams in Nashville who they kind of have. The Nashville Predators have Fox Sports, NBC, SN, and ESPN. While your Titans have a lot more. They have CBS, ESPN, NFL Network, Fox, NBC, NFL Red Zone, Sunday Ticket, Yahoo Sports. They also have Amazon Sports, and then all your extra add-ons you can get, Hulu, and Tennessee Titans pretty much have everything, as NFL is your biggest market for that kind of stuff. Facilities and transportation. So a perfect place for the stadium would be Cumberland Park on the riverfront. You kind of see a picture. This is kind of just a little part of it right here. And you see the riverfront. You have your Titan Stadium, and you have the Predators Arena. They're a mile apart, and this kind of sits right in the middle of them. Just a little bit farther south, but right in the middle. And it's a great location. It has a great view. And just that area, you get that downtown area. Sports fans love to go out to the bars, have a good time, and then go to the game, or go to the game and then go out to the bars and have a good time. And that place is loaded. It's loaded with sports fans, great people. I don't know. This is a great area for this stadium. And then transportation. Nashville always has tons of transportation available. The trolleys are always unavailable. Uber, and then they have the pedal and cart drinks, which are really cool that a lot of sports fans like to take part in. Is you just get on and pedal, and as you pedal, you get a drink, and as you pedal, it goes. So that's really cool. You listen to music. It's a great time. And here are my resources. Thank you.